My name is Mineshow9000. Today we are playing some more Attack of the BTeam Part 3. What's going on, everybody?
And I'm on your house.
Screw you.
I'm building a dungeon. But I can't say the first word of the dungeon because it's a bad word.
Everybody's gonna know what you mean by that.
Yeah. It's where two people
It's
are
the magic
dead.
dungeon.
That's all I can say about it.
It's the dungeon of magicalness.
It's the dungeon where kids are made.
Yeah. And
by that we mean bacon dungeon.
yeah, bacon.
We make bacon.
Yum. This is where we make
bacon.
kids, and then we hang,
Yeah.
and then we take
Bacon.
their bacon off.
You put pigs down there and rip their bacon off?
No, kids.
Shut up!
Great
that
way to start a
better?
video.
Isn't that much better?
Okay, so goals for today, guys.
Create dinosaurs.
No, that's next
finish
week.
the house.
No, that's my goal. You guys can do whatever you want.
Finish the house is this episode.
My
Ew,
goal is to finish the
Steely!
Funtime dungeon.
Man, our skeleton.
We're not. I traded some diamonds for this quantum dust, but guys, today, well, we also made beds.
And by trading,
down to
he
Jared's
gave them
bacon
to
dungeon.
me for something that he didn't even know how to use.
We're gonna go down to
I
Jared's
know
bacon.
how to use quantum.
I don't.
Yeah, I do. I've used it.
I don't.
Seth, are you coming?
Good for me.
All right. So what you do is you use,
Don't tell me. I don't need to know yet.
you have to have you have to have quantum goggles, and once you do that,
No, you don't have.
quantum goggles.
No, you don't have to have quantum goggles.
And once you do that, you go
For
down to
something
Jared's
cool.
bacon dungeon.
You don't need quantum goggles. It just lets you see without the side effects and all that.
Well,
Come on, I need a really big coal vein. Well, that wasn't really big at all.
Oops. So first thing we're gonna do today is we're gonna
Go down to Jared's bacon dungeon.
well, we're gonna finish this.
You barricaded my house.
You did? Don't you remember?
I'm going to finish the house, and then I'm gonna raid Seth's base up there.
I'll just have to move my base before you can.
There's a joke.
That's impossible.
I know, and I was playing along to the joke.
But seriously, we can get up there if we want to.
Yeah, you guys can get up there pretty easily. It's to protect from exploding mobs, known as creepers. Jared, what are you doing? Jared!
Sorry, I'm in my Funtime
You're in your
dungeon.
state.
No, I'm in my Funtime dungeon.
Children.
Children.
Don't be joking about that. We are children. I mean, I'm 47.
I'm 80.
I'm 89.
I'm 80. Yay!
You're 80?
I'm 80.
I'm
Doing
74.
hanging out with a bunch of children.
I'm 74 years old.
Pedo bear?
Yeah, I'm a pedo bear.
Let's just go with that.
Yeah, that's the nicest thing you can say about me right now.
This video's gonna get so many likes.
Yes.
Oh yay, I'm level 30 now. Level up. I've increased my book reading skill.
Alright, keep on mining, keep on mining, keep on
Where are you mining?
I'm not mining. I don't know what you're talking about.
I hate when you're back, because then you, like, see the world really weird, and, like, jumping. I always think that that's too high to jump when it's just one block.
Okay, Seth has 7 diamonds,
What are you doing?
32 iron.
Get out of there. Is he really up there? Because I do have 7 diamonds.
Yeah, he's really up there.
diamonds. Just get out. Don't take the fossils or the relics.
Okay, I take the diamonds.
You can have 3 of the diamonds.
Oh, I took them all.
Seriously, put them back there. Please.
Oh, that's 1, 2, 3. There we go. Okay, you have 4 diamonds left.
No, seriously, put them back. I was just kidding. Give them.
Too late. I left.
Jared!
I can't put them back. I only took 3.
You know what? I have 12 in my inventory, so...
Oh, sure, I took them all then.
No, take 3 and get out. You already have 3, so get out.
Is someone where I think they are?
Are you stalking me?
No, but I think someone's in my fun time dungeon.
No.
Never mind.
Someone's in your bacon dungeon.
It's already a bacon dungeon.
Yeah, we all know what it is. It's a pancake dungeon.
Yeah, I have machines in here that squish little kids into pancakes.
Squish little kids into bacon?
No, pancakes. And bacon.
Pancakes?
And eggs. I made a chicken
An
kid.
egg machine.
I made an kid chicken, and now that kid is just
A
walking
kid
around.
cage?
Yeah, that too. And now that kid is just walking around.
So many likes.
We're gonna get 5 likes on this video.
You're already...
5 dislikes.
For all the pedo-bears out there.
Yeah, all the pedo bears just like this video.
You know the pedo-bears say, hey, hey, say, oh, oh.
If you like the idea of kid pancakes,
Like this
like
video.
the video.
Kid pancakes. Yeah.
Jarrett, if you burn down part of that tree, just go ahead and burn down the rest of it. My OCD is killing me.
I'm not OCD like that.
I lit it on fire, it just didn't finish burning. Anyway, I think I don't have my flintstone anymore, so because someone took it. So
I am OCD to where if I am mining a vein, I have to finish the vein, even if it's something stupid like
wood.
I'm never gonna use like a
All.
redstone. Oh, there's a creeper down here. I'm out. Ooh, I'm gonna try to be a creeper.
Then you're gonna hate
No,
this
don't spoil,
series,
don't spoil.
Seth. You're gonna hate.
What?
Why? Okay, Conan. Just quick
How
question.
did I
That
get
tree is OCD.
a muscle?
Why
I got
is
a
there
muscle from a
a
creeper.
stack of stairs?
Because
got a muscle
I
from a
wanted to get
creeper.
up to the top of this other tree and mine it down it, and
I got a muscle from a creeper.
too bad.
Fossils! Fossils! Ooh, relics.
Remember,
Relics
Seth,
and fossils
you have to
and bones,
share with
oh
us. Remember, Seth, you have to share with us.
No,
Not a
I'm,
let's play. Not a
We
let's keep it all.
agreed.
Let's keep.
We
It's not
agreed to
com-
share resources.
Yeah, you were one of the main followers of that. Me and you were the one that made that.
what?
We had to convince Colin to share resources.
You said that we can, last episode you said that we can keep what we want.
Yeah, just a little bit.
And I've
like
already
diamonds
given
and
you
stuff.
diamonds, okay?
Yeah, but you have all
I'll
these other
give you
resources.
all the diamonds that you want. Just let me keep my fossils.
Okay, you can keep all the fossils, but you have to share the other ores.
Ooh, what is a broken ancient sword?
It's a broken ancient sword.
I see.
That's part of. I think that's part of the. That's part of the item that I want. The sword I want most.
Ooh, there's an Enderman.
Ah. Yeah, that's what I want.
Little kid turned in.
Why do I keep getting muscles from creepers? Creepers don't have muscles.
They do now.
Boom, boom, boom. I will give you all the redstone that you want.
No one wants redstone. Actually, it's useful. Yes, we want all the redstone.
Now that you told me it's useful.
You already said it. You have to give us all the redstone. What's that?
Nothing.
What's what?
I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know. Nothing.
I'm just gonna go into my house, barricade the windows that I don't
A
have.
heart! Oh my gosh, did you really... Let me check this chest. You did take... What else did you take? I know this chest wasn't this empty.
The diamonds. It
Is
was
that all
empty.
you took?
Yes.
Do you promise?
I wasn't going to take anything until you said just take the diamonds. You're the one that made me take the diamonds.
Did I went on this trip to get coal. I only got 29 coal. I need another double chest. No.
Shh.
What?
Shh.
What are we shh for?
You started singing copyrighted music.
Started singing
Yeah.
something. You don't know what I was singing.
No one knows what you are, Seth. That probably was just random.
Colin, are you being OCD again and trying to destroy random pillars?
Yes.
Well, stop it.
Hey, Jarrett.
Are you down?
What? A zombie with an iron sword? Aha, I'm up here. You can't get me.
Wait, what's this?
Ooh,
Is that
there are
fossil?
2 witches over here.
I found a fossil. Another fossil. Yay.
No, don't throw potions on me. Oh my gosh, lag. Now's not the time to lag, especially since there's a 3rd witch. Do witches spawn around this relic thing?
Probably.
Oh my gosh, I'm a witch. I want to be a bat.
Na 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 na.
Fly away. I'm a half a heart. You can't die, right? From poisoning.
No, you can't.
How much poison? I still have 6 seconds poison.
I really want my skin back.
Why? You.
Because I'm tired of looking at this villager hand.
There's a mini zombie right outside your door. Colin,
Oh, midget!
become a midget. Jared's gonna get the midget.
I killed it.
There's zombies closing in on Jared. There's 2 more. There's a creeper on your house.
Why
Colin.
don't you help us?
Because I'm trying to regen health.
Don't you have bread?
By the way, if you want to become a witch, witches spawn all around that relic, that thing over there, that little building. So we may not have wanted to make our base here.
Creeper, come. Get out of my house. Oh.
1 block away.
No! No!
There's a witch behind you, Jared.
There's not.
Yeah, there is over there. At the tree.
There's an Enderman. Oh, there it is.
What the heck? Why am I lagging?
Oh.
I'm literally getting like no frames per second.
Oh my gosh, I was poisoned again.
They don't like this sword.
I don't like this area anymore.
Well, I built my house and my fun time dungeon.
I got a witch's hand. Ew. Holding a witch's
Oh yes!
What? 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 Oh my gosh, no! When my health regen, I was gonna come down and be like, "Hey guys."
Oh,
Just
you have.
look.
Oh no! You both have one. I could be your pet. I'll be your pet.
You are our pet, or I will pick you up and slam you. Our
I'll be your pet.
pig.
I'm your pet.
You're my pet!
My pet first.
I'm your pet.
He was actually legit.
Almost dead.
He was actually legit my pet first.
He wasn't anybody's pet. He's a human being.
As soon as we started
Well,
this
now I'm a
series.
dead human being. Ow!
No.
I can hit you with bread too.
No, I didn't hit you with bread. I'm running really fast. I mean, really slow. Stop! I'm almost dead. No. Fly away. No.
Get back here.
No. You'll never find my secret mining spot. That is not a secret because I'm over at it. That's where I got the diamonds from.
What the heck, a jeweled apple? Shh.
I'm raiding presents. Presents.
Come here. Hold on. Wait. What was that?
Sticks
Oh, I want to give you
and
a present.
lavender.
Hold on.
and
I want to give you.
wool.
I want to give you presents. Come down here.
No, because they're gonna kill me.
No, I'll put away my sword. I put away my sword. Okay. Ow! Oh!
What is that?
A diamond apple. Oh, snap.
Diamond apple?
Oh yeah, you didn't know this was possible? Hold on, let me give you a gift.
What do they do?
This is your gift!
Really?
Oh!
I
Yay!
just told you that I'm practically dead.
Yeah, don't worry, all your stuff is in the gravestone. No!
Yeah, that you better not take.
No, you have to break it. And God is about to kill me now. You've
better
already
kill-
murdered me!
Yay.
I don't know. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, it's my house.
Ooh, what's that over there?
Told you should have slept.
Oh, it's just a red tree. Yeah, we've been in this house before. There's random stuff in here. I'll take it all.
I didn't have enough room in my inventory to take it.
Here's the ravine that Jared fell in. Jared has to find his way back, because...
No, I don't, actually.
Jarrett's respawned in his bed.
I think Seth's upset.
Why?
Oh,
Take any of my stuff.
I was going to rename it, but apparently you can't rename. I was going to say...
How do I look in it?
It person... You punch it.
How do you look in what?
Punch the dirt
That's
part.
what I'm doing.
Destroy under your gravestone. Destroy the dirt under your gravestone.
Yeah, I know, I did that.
Hold on, I gotta make a... No, I'm not gonna make a hole straight down. I was about to make
I
a
would
hole
kill
straight down.
Colin, and he'd be mad at me, because I was going to say, and the circle of life continues.
Shrez, I'm so you. Seth. Let me morph into myself.
I'm the deal with it, villager. Jarrett, come back. Jarrett, behind you. Deal with it. I'm lagging majorly.
Hey, can you fix this for me? Do you think you can fix?
Jarrett, your internet.
Why do you have wood growing out of your head?
Can you fix it? Someone tried to chop. Oh, I had a tree, but someone chopped it down. Can you fix it? Pikachu. Oh yeah, you're gonna have Pikachu? Well, I have this. Where did you go?
What is Colin?
I'm a turkey
You're
head.
backward.
I'm turkey head. I'm turkey head.
I have this.
No one likes
Yeah.
yours.
Nobody likes mushrooms.
Okay,
Cows are
well,
horrible.
I'm so advanced. I
I'm
have
a
a solar
street
helmet.
villager.
I'm so advanced. I have a solar helmet already.
I'm a street villager.
I have a solar helmet already. I have a solar helmet already. No joke.
Dude, you know that's just a hat.
No, it's not. And
This awesome thing.
Instrocraft is. What is that?
It's a helicopter. It's called Sky
Are you
Crane.
kidding me? There's no jetpacks in this?
Yeah, Instrocraft isn't in here, so solar hats don't really work. Wait, is Buildcraft in this? We may end up using your mod pack.
Yay!
You saw your Buildcraft is in here.
How long have you recorded for?
Are you kidding me? The portal gun mod's not even in here.
You were lagging.
Buildcraft's not in here. No.
Look at my hat.
Side.
It wasn't lagging. I was looking in my inventory.
No, your Skype was lagging. Ow! Stop!
I don't like your hat.
Why?
It's ugly.
Side. Sue.
My whole
Okay,
character's ugly today.
Colin, I hope you don't
My
mind,
villager.
but I'm going to dig a hole straight down right here.
Right under your house.
Don't remodel.
Don't remodel. He's literally doing this.
Light. Light. What are you?
Oops. Hey. No, now I'm trapped down here with the maniac.
Yeah, I want to put your whole house down.
No, seriously, I'm almost dead. Please don't.
We know if you're almost dead or not.
Yes, I know because of the life thing, but obviously Jarrett didn't know last time.
All right, guys.
I
I
was paying
think
attention.
I think we're gonna go ahead and leave you here for this episode, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye bye.